Today might be a multi-part video. I'm not really sure. I'm hoping I can get everything finished what I want to get finished today. It is still really cold, so we still can't do the tint on still can't do the tint on the headlights because of the weather. Hopefully we get a warm day soon enough so I can finally get that done, because I like the look and I want to get that done. Hopefully we can work all speedy and quickly today to get everything finished so I don't have to roll into work without a bumper today. We got a lot to do, so let's start this video. What is going on, guys? So, sorry for that little ranty intro there, but today we have some things I'm trying to get done, and by the title of this video, I'm trying to install my front splitter today. So, while looking at the bumper when I took it off to do my headlights, I noticed something that kind of changed the game a little bit about it, and I'm a little upset about it, but at the same time, it happens, so I'm just gonna get it done regardless. When the 17 to 18 year models came out, they did change the front bumper to make it look a little bit more aggressive, and it's added a little bit more trimming to it or whatever. But one thing that they did do was take out a lot of the bottom portion of it. And when I say that, I mean like the holes in there. So my bumper has no holes in the bottom except for 2 that match up with the splitter. So I went out the other day and I bought a brand new drill because I'm gonna have to drill into my bumper now. I've never done anything like that, so I'm a little bit nervous about it, but I don't think it should be too big of a deal. Hopefully I get good drill bits for it and the holes are pretty good so everything stays sturdy. I don't have support rods quite yet. I'm gonna have to order some. I didn't want to get them from the actual website itself because I didn't like the silvery look of them, because I want to get black ones or carbon fiber ones. So we're gonna have to figure some stuff out. But step 1 of today, we have to go get some drill bits because I have a drill with no bits, and it kind of need those if you want to drill into a bumper. So we're gonna head over to Lowe's real quick, and hopefully we have enough time to actually throw everything on today. I've got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. Worst comes to worst, I'm just gonna roll into work without a front bumper today because, well, it's illegal in Pennsylvania to do that, but hopefully I'll be fine. Unfortunately, my fear is coming true right now, and it wasn't supposed to rain, but it's starting to rain, and the temperature just dropped. So I went into Lowe's, and it was, I mean, it's really cloudy today, and there was a chance of rain, but it wasn't raining. So I went in there, and my car says it's 44 degrees, and then I come back out and started to mist a little bit, got really windy, and it feels like it's a lot colder than that now. So unfortunately, I can't do this today, which freaking sucks because I was really hyped, and I don't really want to get all the connectors all wet, because I was fine driving to work without a bumper today. Usually I don't pass too many cops, so I was okay with it, but at the same time, I really didn't want to like get my connectors wet because I could start corroding, and that's not a good situation. So I'm gonna have to catch you guys hopefully tomorrow or something. I can do this, or maybe I'm gonna have to pick this up on Wednesday because that's my only day off this week. So, I mean, if the video comes out Wednesday, you guys know what happened. If it doesn't, well, then you guys will find out what happens. So I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow so we can do this. But we got our drill bits, and that's the most important part right now. So we have about an hour today. It is the next day, but I think we're gonna try to get this splitter on. I'm getting excited. Hopefully we can do it in the allotted time that I have. We don't have too much of it, but we're gonna try. So step number 1 is something I'm not gonna show you guys because it's not really like a big thing to show, but taking off your bumper is step number 1. So you can see the bumper is now off. So now we're gonna start lining this up so we can find out where we have to drill and then find out what drills to use. I am using my new tools today, and I'm happy about it because I finally have a use for them. So we're using these things today. So we're gonna flip over the bumper, start mounting it kind of like loosely, and see what we got to do for this. So what I just did was I got the sides where the only holes were, and I matched them all up, put it upside down, and we're pressing down just to see where I'm actually gonna have to drill into this bumper at, and then it's just really drilling and then just installing the hardware. The hardware is all hex bolts, which I don't know why, and I don't like hex bolts because it just makes everything way more difficult, and a bracket of my bumper just fell off nice. But so far, so good. We're gonna start drilling in now. A little bit nervous about it, but everything looks to be lining up how I want it to be. So let's start drilling in. Hopefully this first hole works. So now we got 2 pieces of hardware on each side, and now is the concerning part, because when this bumper got redid, it put a bit more of an arch in the center of it, and you'll definitely be able to see these bolts if I bolt it up like that. So I think I'm gonna do 2 more and kind of see how strong it is on there without the middle 2, because I don't really want to run it where you can see the bolts, because I don't think it's gonna look very clean. But then again, it might look fine, so I'm not really sure about it. So I'm gonna do 2 more, and then we're gonna do a little just look ski and see how it is looking. But so far this install is like a lot easier than I thought it was gonna go. It's just drilling some holes and putting hardware in it. It's really simple. looking at this, it looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do the 2 center holes, but I'm gonna do the ones outer one from that, because the way it is right now is very secure, honestly. But just to be on the safe side, because if I'm picking up speed, I don't want this thing shooting off, because that would suck. So I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna put it back on the car. Hopefully I have enough time to do a very small edit of it, but it is getting late, and I gotta go to work soon. But we're gonna do one more hole, and then we're gonna take a look at it, because right now I'm getting really excited. Just gotta put everything back together, but I think she looks real clean, and I'm really excited right now. So coming down here, yeah, you can't see the bolts, and I'm kind of happy I didn't go with the center 2, because I think it would have put a weird bow in it, like if it just went up a little bit more. I'm gonna get some support rods for it and connect it a little bit more to make it more structural. But I'm gonna button everything back together, take a few pictures, even though my car is dirty as hell right now, do a very tiny edit, but I'm excited. So a couple of things that I've noticed. Now I'm assuming the natural shape of the bumper aims upwards. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to actually loosen most of the bolts, I think, get support rods to actually push the front down a little bit so it's a little bit flatter, so it looks a little bit better. Because right now it does bow up quite a bit, but I am very happy with how this looks. I'm sorry if the edit was a little bit on the shorter side, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it down my driveway or not with that extra like couple inches there, but I think it looks really good. And ease of installation, it was very simple. Just drill a few holes and bolt it up and you're there. It took me a half hour. That's also because I'm vlogging at the same time. But so far, I'm really stoked with it. We'll see how it holds up when I'm driving with it. So I'm definitely gonna have to have a review video for this, hopefully on Saturday. I'm ordering another big car part, and I'm a little bit nervous about this one because this one's a very aggressive, bold move, but I think I'm gonna order that on Friday. And then hopefully I can order some support rods relatively soon. Let me know what you guys think, if I should get some black ones or some carbon fiber ones, because I'm not sure which ones to go with right yet. Now I'm gonna start, I have a drill now, I can start drilling into everything, so I have to drill into the splitter to get the support rods in. But I'm getting really excited to see how that entire thing pans out. This video is probably mad short, and I didn't realize it because it was an easy installation. I thought it was gonna take a little bit longer, and it was very easy. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Keep doing you. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.